Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bhavna Sharma from Surface Design, and let's take you today straight to the Extravaganza e-commerce world in India. So in 2023 we can see an exceptional boom in e-commerce industry, and today there are many competitors and as well as many buyers. The purchasing power of common person is increasing day by day, and so do the e-commerce suppliers. The e-commerce boom is coming to the Indian industry and taking over the market day by day. The first Indian e-commerce was invented by Mr. K. Vediswaran, and it was called Fab Market, which was later rebranded as IndianPlaza.in 1999, and he was also known as the father of e-commerce. And since then, many e-commerce have entered the market and won their place. And so do you can also start your e-commerce today easily with the help of available AI tools, technology boom, and the rise in production. So whatever thing you are good at, whether it's art, whether it's cooking, whether you are interested in tech gadgets or anything you would like, you can start your e-commerce store today without any hassle. You just have to register your domain, get an interactive website ready by the help of AI tool. See, the e-commerce is very different from the traditional store. In the traditional store, you have to invest just double amount you are investing currently in your online marketplace. With top OG players taking center stages like Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, you can open your store easily on their portal, can register yourself there as a seller, and can leverage many benefits with their fast shipping services and no extra charges. You just have to register yourself as a supplier there. The second thing is the logistical dance. See, the logistic services are currently available in every street or in every area you go. You just have to partner up with the fast logistical service, and you can offer your users same-day delivery or can offer a free delivery on purchasing of a product. The greatest examples which are tested by many e-commerce founders are Delivery or Shiprocket, or you can try out Ecom Logistics also. They offer you great services with the fast delivery. The best listing platform suggested by all the founders is still Amazon. They prefer Amazon more because it's reliable services, easy FBA plans, listing managers, and quality checks. So whenever you want to list your products and earn a decent amount of sales, you should always go for Amazon. The war battles of e-commerce platforms. With all the e-commerce spread into the country, they are offering everyday lucrative offers, crazy ad campaigns, celebrity influential campaigns, which are enticing users more and more with their products. So in the battle of this competition, you can always offer the best you can provide to your customers and can easily get 10x of sales every year. The tech wizards. What are the tech wizards are currently doing for e-commerce industry? See, with the AI chatbots and interactive AIs, they are cracking jokes more humorous than humans. If you won't believe, you can test it out today by yourself. See, the role of tech wizards is really essential into your e-commerce platform. You should always integrate the easy chatbot, interactive recommending AIs, which can recommend your users your best products with competitive prices charts. And it can easily help them to shop, and you will get the repeat sales for sure. How to engage digital Shopholics? You can always offer the valid subscriptions as per IGP and funds and pattern models, and you can always earn more than the simple sellers. How you can do that? You can include your material products in a grid and can offer straightforwardly to your consumer and if they get interested, you can get a hefty amount in your dashboard and can invest that amount in multiple businesses and earn more interest than the traditional sellers. So this is also a way of generating maximum revenue in e-commerce industry. But at the end of the day, we are all disappointed by the return drama. Why is it happening? I mean, who can stop it? It's all inside your policies. As much as stronger you are with your policies, you won't have to go through such return type of dramas and can easily offer your products to consumers without any fear. So whenever a customer is going to shop, they also see no replacement or return policy. You can also implement that. As an Amazon seller, you can request always to Amazon to enable your no return policy inside your product listings. And if you are going all by yourself, then you can always easily implement into your portal and can ensure your user with the great quality of product and can easily engage them into the no return policy. But I highly recommend you to apply an easy exchange policy which can be less burden for your consumer and for yourself as well. The future of e-commerce. See, the future of e-commerce is very brighter and bigger than you can imagine. By the end of 2028, it is predicted to grow by $188 billion, which is quite a large number. So don't be late. If you are passionate about opening your own e-commerce store, you should apply these strategies today and study these tools. With the help of AI, you can create magic inside your e-commerce store. And if you like the wild, wacky and wonderful world of e-commerce industry, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more e-commerce updates and stay tuned for amazing business tips. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.